because what they did in 3 months is fantastic. So therefore we are ready for the event.
I think that this is a pinnacle of what Slovenian cycling achieved through many years of existence. So we have a huge responsibility and obligation to organize this European Championship in a way that everybody in Slovenia are going to be proud.
Come on, come on.
The course is built for the all-rounders. The first part, about 85 kilometers, is totally flat. And then we have a demanding 22 kilometers long final circuit.
Yeah, pretty much. I really know basically every single stone on the route. So I really like it personally because it's the roads from my beginnings, from my trainings, and I really want to see all my friends from the peloton to see the beauty of Slovenia. And as it comes to the hardness or toughness of the course, I think for Slovenian team will be actually perfect.
Because what they did in 3 months is fantastic. So therefore we are ready for the event.